Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you a mechanical engineering fresher struggling to land your first job? Are you wondering whether you should learn one CAD tool, multiple tools, or which one to actually start with? Because everywhere you look, someone is telling you should learn SolidWorks, someone is telling to learn Fusion, and then you hear out about Creo, CATIA, and X. And the list just keeps growing. So, what should you actually do? In this video, I will break down how exactly what skills recruiter care about, which CAD software truly matters, and the smartest path to becoming job ready without wasting the years of learning the wrong things. Today, I'm going to give you the practical blueprint of what to learn after graduation. No fluff, no unnecessary certifications, just real skills that help you to get interviews, internships, and job offers. We will cover the core engineering skills employer expect, which CAD software you should learn first, whether you need multiple CAD tools or just master one, and how to position yourself as a job-ready mechanical engineer. Let's start with most important, the core fundamentals. Before any software, your foundation methods. Employer accept you to understand engineering drawing, reading, material and manufacturing basics, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing standards, design for manufacturing and assembly, engineering mechanics, statics, dynamics, and strength of material. These are not optionals. This is what separates a fresher graduate from the job-ready engineer. A company doesn't hire you just because you know where the extrude button is. They hire you because you understand how the real component is designed, manufactured, and assembled. Now let's talk about the big question, which CAD software you should learn. As you hear the name CAD, the first thing that comes in our mind is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is most widely used in 2D drafting application in the engineering industry. Even if you don't directly work on 2D drafting, understanding AutoCAD is important. In your career, you may guide junior engineers and draft persons. You must understand drawing standards, dimensions, and documentation practices. So yes, basic AutoCAD knowledge is important. Then, one 3D software is mandatory. For design engineering roles, 3D modeling skills are essential. Some common industry tools include SolidWorks, which is one of the widely used tools for the mechanical parts and assemblies. And then we have Fusion 360, beginner-friendly, modern workflow, integrates CAD, CAM. Then Creo and Inventor, widely used in automotive and manufacturing industries. Then we have CATIA and NX, used in aerospace and high-end automobile industries, especially for advanced safe surface modeling. Now, here's the truth. You don't need to learn all of them. Most companies require AutoCAD plus strong proficiency in any one 3D CAD tool. It is far better to master one software deeply than to poorly learn all three. If you want maximum job opportunities in a small, medium-sized companies, start with SolidWorks. It remains one of the most demanded CAD tools in job listings. If you want modern workflows, startups, and for flexibility, Fusion 360 is a great starting point. If your aim is for automotive or large manufacturing companies, Creo, Inventor, or SolidWorks are commonly used. If I talk about my personal recommendation for most freshers, I may say you should start with SolidWorks or Fusion depending upon your career goals. And here's something important. And once you master one CAD software, learning other became much easier. Because the engineering concepts are same, the difference mainly in the interface and the tool layout. Good designers don't depend on the software, they use software as the tool. Many freshers only learn part modeling, that's not enough. If you want to become industry ready, you must learn part modeling, assembly design, sheet metal, surface modeling, drafting, and basic finite element analysis. You must understand the complete workflow from concept to drawing. And most important, build an industry-ready design portfolio. Learning CAD is not about watching tutorials. It is about practice. More engineering drawings you convert into 3D model, the more confident and skilled you became. CAD mastery comes from doing, not just watching. Beyond the CAD, what employees really notice, CAD alone is not enough. Employer also look for Excel and basic data handling, communication skills, problem solving, and manufacturing understandings, and basic simulation techniques. These skills make you adaptable, and adaptability is what the company truly values. Now, let me simplify everything into a clear roadmap. Strengthen your core engineering fundamentals, then learn one 2D and one 3D software deeply according to your career goals. Understand the manufacturing and shop floor concepts, build real mechanical design portfolios, create professional design portfolios. If you follow this path, you won't just complete the courses, you became the job ready. And that's the real goal. Now, if you want the structured step-by-step learning path for the SolidWorks, I have my SolidWorks Mastery Pack link in the description. You may click on that and check out the SolidWorks Mastery Pack. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, comment below which CAD software are you learning, and subscribe for more mechanical content.